Good morning, students. We are continuing the topic partnership. Our today's topic is partnership deed. Before going ahead, you see the specimen of partnership deed. So, what is the meaning of partnership deed? You know that partnership is established by an agreement which may be oral or in written. Even though it is not essential to have a written agreement, but it is always better to have the agreement in writing to avoid any kind of dispute. The document containing the agreement in writing among the partners is called partnership deed. So, what are the contents of partnership deed? First is name of the firm. Second, name and addresses of all the partners. Third, nature and place of the business. Fourth, date of commencement of partnership. Fifth, duration of partnership like 5 years, 10 years. Capital contribution by the partners. The amount that can be withdrawn by each partner, that is called drawing, which we have discussed in accountancy also. Rules regarding operation of bank accounts. Division of profit or losses. What is the ratio of division of profits, like equal partners, or the ratio like 2, 3 and 1. Interest on capital of or drawings if any. Interest on partners loan to the firm. Salaries, commission, etc. if payable to any partner. Details of division of work among the partners like purchase manager, production manager, sales manager, etc. Ascertainment of goodwill on the admission, retirement and death of a partner. How to settle the accounts in the event of retirement of or death of partners, and how to settle the accounts on dissolution of the firm. Provisions relating to the maintenance and audit of accounts. Provisions for arbitration in the event of disputes. Provisions regarding borrowings of the firm, and rights and duties and liabilities of all the partners. These are the contents of partnership deed. So, what is the registration of partnership? Registration of a partnership firm means the entering of the firm's name in the register of the firms kept with the registrar of the firms. Registration of partnership is not compulsory, it's optional, but registration provides conclusive proof of the existence of partnership firm. It can be registered with the Registrar of Firms as per Partnership Act 1932. So, what is the procedure for registration? First of all, you have to submit an application in the prescribed form with the following details, like name of the firm, location of the firm, name of other places where the firm carries on business, the date of joining of each partner, name and addresses of the partners, duration of partnership. This application should be signed by all the partners. Second is deposit of required fees with the registrar of the firms. Then, after approval, the registrar should enter the name of the firm in his register and issues a certificate of registration, that is called registration certificate. So, I just told you that the registration of the firm is not compulsory. It's an option for the partnership firm to get registered. In case a firm does not get registered, it is deprived of many benefits. An unregistered firm suffers so many problems. So, what are the consequences, or you can say what are the effects of non-registration? If there is non-registration, then an unregistered firm cannot sue, or you can say cannot file a case against third party for the recovery of claims. Second, an unregistered firm cannot sue against its partners. Third, a partner of an unregistered firm cannot enforce his claims against outsiders or against his co-partners of the firm. It means a partner cannot enforce his claims. So these are the effects of non-registration. This is very much important topic. There are 3 consequences of non-registration of the firm. So here partnership topic is completed. Assignment and notes are available on ERP. Do it as directed. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.